Welcome friends to your very own channel. Were you also eagerly waiting for the CES token to be integrated into the MetaWhale Tactics and Strategy program? Well friends, the wait is almost over because a big breaking update is finally here. The integration of CES token into the TNS program is almost complete. What is this update? Why is it important? And what does it mean for you? We will break it down in today's video in simple and easy language. So make sure you watch till the end, don't miss out. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the CES token? CES stands for Whalebit CES token. It's the foundation of the entire MetaWhale ecosystem. Just like a digital world has its own currency, CES is the money of that digital world. Whether you want to buy, sell or be part of a partnership, everything happens through this token. Now let's talk about the Tactics and Strategy program. In short, TNS program. It's a community-driven, affiliate-based platform where people make smart and safe profits using crypto strategies. Until now, this program operated using the DAI stablecoin, but now DAI is about to be replaced by the CES token. Yes, our very own token is going to be used. A big leap forward, friends. The development team has upgraded the entire backend code of the TNS program. The system which previously worked with DAI has now been shifted to run with the CES token. And the best part, the shift has been successful. Testing is complete and the system is functioning properly, which means CES token is now technically ready for the TNS platform. Now let's talk about something very important, and that's security. To ensure your money stays safe, the team is completely conducting a smart contract audit. An audit means getting the code deeply checked by a third-party expert to make sure there are no bugs, loopholes or glitches. And until the audit is 100% successful, the CES token integration won't officially launch. So there's no need to worry. The team's focus is a safe and secure launch above all else. Now the big burning question, when is the launch? According to the team, as soon as the audit is complete and gives the green signal, the exact launch date will be set immediately with the community. If everything goes smoothly, the CES token could go live on the TNS platform by mid-August. But remember, this date will only be finalized after a successful audit. So until then, stay updated, stay alert and stay ready, friends. A huge thank you goes out to the MetaWhale development team. They have focused not just on innovation but also made safety and transparency their top priorities. This integration of CES token into TNS was a perfect blend of planning, testing and execution. And that's exactly what real success looks like. So friends, that was your complete update on the CES and TNS integration. How did you like this update? Are you excited about CES new role? Do let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video informative, show it some love, like and share it with your community friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so that you never miss out on such updates, always in simple and relatable language. See you in the next update.